Namaste, myself Mohan, mathematics teacher working in Mangala Vidya Mandira, Yelahanka. Today I am going to tell you a story about a boy who had no formal mathematics education and whose birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. Now the story will turn quite interesting if we turn the question from who to why. Why the birthday of a boy with no formal education is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. It was 1887 in a small town in Tamil Nadu. There was a boy whose interest on mathematics was the fountain of knowledge, but he needed a proper stream to explore and expand his knowledge. So, with the permission of his mother, he wrote a letter to the University of Cambridge, attaching a note of mathematical equations and a sign at the bottom, Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. This letter was received by a professor G.H.R.D., eventually calling Srinivas Ramanujan to Cambridge for further work, quoting that Ramanujan has produced groundbreaking new theorems, but on the arrival he had more surprises to see: a book in his hand and a couple of more in his bag, full of equations and theorems. From here, Srinivas Ramanujan took a new wings to explore the world of mathematics flying high. Few of his works were Ramanujan's Constant, Trine, Sum, Integer, Master Theory, Still Counting. We have centuries passed from Ramanujan. Still, many of his notes are the theses for research in universities. Everything has an ending. Sadly, due to the illness in 1919, Srinivasa Ramanujan had to return to his motherland and deceased a year later. He was just 32 years with a knowledge of 32 decades. This is why today we celebrate the birthday of a boy with no formal mathematics education as the National Mathematics Day. Srinivasa Ramanujan used to say, "An equation from me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of God." ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.